Rina. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another DIY video, and this time I have some really amazing wall hanging ideas for you guys. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So for the first DIY, all you need is a stick and wool of different colors. Now what I did is I've cut them into pieces of around 60 cm each so that when you fold it gets into 30 cm, and then arrange them into the order that I liked. Now guys, you can be more creative and use whatever color you like. It is a very simple process on how you attach the wool to the stick. Let me show you the proper method. All you have to do is take the wool and keep it under the stick, and then take the other end and pass it through the loop. See how easy this is. Once you keep doing this, you will definitely get your hands on it. So this is the finished look I came up with. Then to give some extra touch to it, I made a braid kind of thing out of the wool itself. Now, if you know how to braid your hair, it is very easy for you guys. All you have to do is overlap one section over the other until you reach the end, and make sure it is tight enough so that it doesn't come out. So to secure the braid, take a piece of wool and tie a knot for around 2 to 3 times, and then follow the same thing on the other side. At the end, all you have to do is tie a piece of a wool on both the sides so that you can hang it on the wall. At the end, cut off all the extras with the help of a scissor to make it of the same size. And it's really pretty much it, guys. You can make this DIY in around 20 to 30 minutes if you have some free time. We all have old clothes that we no more wear, so why not to turn them into an amazing room decor? I had this old scarf which I no more use. So now what I did is I cut the scarf into the size that I wanted. You can even keep it much bigger than I did. Then with the help of glue gun, stick all the 3 edges, leaving the 4th edge. You can even use fabric glue if you have. Then stick the fourth end by keeping little space so that you can put the stick inside it. Then finally tie a black yarn to the stick. Artificial flowers are such an amazing DIY supplies. Honestly, you can make so many DIYs out of these fake flowers. You can reuse them or keep it for years and they will still look the same. Here, I have used some flowers and leaves to make this DIY look more attractive. And it's done. Such an easy way to convert your old clothes into wall hanging. For this next DIY, you need a paper stick and you can even use a wooden stick and some tassels. So this is how I made tassels. So first thing that I did is I took a square piece of cardboard, or you can even use your 4 fingers. It is just easier for me to use a piece of cardboard. And then I took a white and pink yarn. Of course you can use any color you want. So yeah, you just want to wrap this wool for around 40 to 50 times. And once you are done, you just want to cut a small piece of wool and just tie it like how I am tying. Once you are done tying it, you need to flip the cardboard towards the other end and just cut it out. Now you will be left with something that looks like this. In order to make it look like an actual tassel, you need to cut another piece of yarn and leaving a couple of centimeters from top, you want to tie it to kind of make like the head of the tassel. And then cut off all the extras and your tassel is done. Arrange all the tassels as you want, and by taking a thread, add the tassels to the stick. Once you are done tying, you can even add some beads to make it look more prettier. Here I have used different colors of beads as I have used different colors of tassels. You can even use one color beads. Now to enhance the look of the paper stick, I used some cardboard cutouts to make the stick look like an arrow. And then once it dried up, I attached all the tassels by rearranging them and tying them to the stick. You need to take a piece of wool to tie in order to hang it on the wall. knot off the extras and apply some clear nail paint or glue over it. This seals the knot so that it doesn't come out easily. This DIY looks absolutely beautiful and adds some colors to the wall. For the last DIY, all you need is some glitter foam sheet, yarn and a wooden stick. I have already traced out some star shapes and even have some cutouts. Cut out these traced out stars and make around 12 to 15 of them. To tie the stars to the wool, you need to make a hole in it. The foam sheet was too thick to punch it out, guys, so I used a rounder to make a hole. Then tie all the stars to the yarn and don't forget to secure the knots with a clear nail paint. I arranged the stars the way I wanted in slanting orders and tied the yarn to the stick by making a knot over it. Apply some clear nail paint again to secure it properly. Lastly, tie a thread or yarn to the ends of this strip. Hang it to the wall and it's done. Honestly, this DIY looks way more beautiful, guys, than in this video. I just love the way it has turned out. It is such a great way to decorate your room and your wall. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, share and comment. And if you are new to my channel, take a moment and go hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I am back with new videos. Bye!